Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to allow some apps to use only Wi-Fi internet or only mobile internet in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application named as D1984 Firewall, and on the first list you'll see its developer website. Just click on it and just scroll down below. Now you'll see here releases. Just click on it. Once again scroll down below again. Now you'll see here .apk file. So you need to download this apk file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So now just click on open. Click on install. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening it will ask you some permission. Just click on allow. Click on start firewall, click on OK, click on allow again. Wait for a few seconds. It's scanning all the installed application present on your respective Android smartphones. So now it will display all the application present on your respective Android smartphones. So now you can see here on its application, the Wi-Fi as well as the mobile internet is showing up. So if I click on it, now you can see here by default the Wi-Fi internet is being allowed as well as the mobile internet has been allowed. So say I don't want to allow these applications to use mobile internet, then I can just block it. Then it will be only allowed to use the Wi-Fi internet connection, and if I start using only the mobile internet connection, then this respective application will not be able to use the mobile internet. So similarly, if I want to allow this application to use only mobile internet, then I can just block the Wi-Fi internet connection for this respective application. Then it will not be allowed to use the Wi-Fi internet connections, and it will be only allowed to use the mobile internet connections. And if I want to block both the Wi-Fi as well as the mobile internet, then I can just block both the mobile data as well as the Wi-Fi internet connections. So by using this application named as D1984 Firewall, you can easily allow some apps to use only Wi-Fi internet or only mobile internet in Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.